Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to solve this very easily. If a, b, and c lie on the line 2y equals to x plus 4, ab equals to bc, and the line through d 10 negative 3 to b is perpendicular to ac, find the coordinates of b and c. So to start, let's look at what we have. The equation of line AC is 2y equals to x plus 4, but this 2 is irrelevant because we only need y. So to get rid of this 2, we divide both sides by 2, leaving y equals to x over 2 plus 2, or y equals to a half x plus 2, meaning the gradient is actually a half. And it's that simple. Always note y equals to mx plus c, only that format. Now that we have the gradient of AC, we can find the gradient of BD, because in two perpendicular lines, gradient 1 times gradient 2 equals to negative 1. So we can manipulate this to give us gradient 2 equals to negative 1 over gradient 1. So in this case, gradient 2 equals to negative 1 divided by a half. And this leads us to getting negative 2. So having the equation of line AC as 2y equals to x plus 4, we can find the coordinate of A, because A lies on the y-axis, meaning x equals to 0. Note that whenever a point lies on the y-axis, then x equals to 0, and whenever the point lies on x-axis, y equals to 0. So using the equation, we find that 2y equals to 0 plus 4. Divide both sides by 2, we have y equals to 2. So the coordinates of A is 0 and 2. Please, all we have to do is manipulate the formula and input the data so we can have our values. Finding the equation of line BD, we use the formula y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. We get y minus minus 3 equals to negative 2 into x minus 10. This leaves us with y plus 3, that's because negative times negative is a positive, equals to negative 2x plus 20, leading us to get y equals to negative 2x plus 20 minus 3, meaning that our final equation is y equals to negative 2x plus 17. Now, knowing this, we can find another point. Since B is the point where the two lines meet, then line AC equals y equals to x over 2 plus 2. Line BD is y equals to negative 2x plus 17. Then we can equate these two lines to find point B. This leads us to getting negative 2x plus 17 equals to x over 2 plus 2. Now let's multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate the coefficient of x, which is a half, on the right hand side to make things simpler for us when we equate. So solving, we get negative 2x plus 17 equals to x over 2 plus 2. Let's input the data. After multiplying, we get negative 4x plus 34 equals to x plus 4. So negative 4x plus 34 minus x minus 4 equals to 0. This leads us to getting negative 5x plus 30. Then when we solve for x, we get x equals to 6. Now that we have x, let's find y. On the equation y equals to negative 2y plus 17, let's input x. Y equals to negative 2 into 6 plus 17. Y equals to negative 12 plus 17. Then we have y equals to 5, meaning that our point B is 6, 5. And you can see it's not hard at all. All you need is practice. So now that we know A and B, let's find C. AB equals to BC, and since B is the midpoint of AC, we can easily find point C if you remember the midpoint formula. Just a little twisted this time. So we do point B, midpoint B equals to x1 plus x3 over 2 y1 plus y3 over 2. Now if you feel like I'm being confusing, just feel free to go through my videos step by step. So midpoint B, which is 6, 5 equals to 0 plus x3 over 2, 2 plus y3 over 2. This leaves 6, 5 equals to x3 over 2, 2 plus y3 over 2. Now let's equate these two. Since point B is the midpoint of A and C, we can equate them to get 6 equals to x3 over 2 and 5 equals to 2 plus y3 over 2, leading us to get x3 equals to 12, and when we cross multiply we get 2 plus y3 equals to 5 times 2, which is 10. Then we get y3 equals to 10 minus 2, which means y3 equals to 8, leading us to get point C as 12, 8. Now if you feel like I've been a little confusing, just go through the video and practice by yourself step by step without watching the video. Thank you.